Legend has been made aware. I shall see you all in the near future.
Great work, Starfire. Bushido! Bushido, look out! Let's make this a fair fight.
Hi, my name is Cyborg. I came here to... I'm trying to give you this. Wait! Cut that out! Just take it! Wait! Your friend Wildebeest is missing, and we think that the Brotherhood of Evil might have gotten to him.
Those guys got wildebeest?
Where are they? I'll go after them myself.
We just need you to be ready. Stay in touch.
You didn't think I forgot about you, did you?
Mission accomplished. I'll meet you guys soon. Ow!
Harold? You here? Azarath Metrion Zinthos! Cool horn. I came to give you this.